You are watching Market Watch, the brief overview of the key events from the world of finance. On Thursday, the European Central Bank is expected to decide on a second consecutive cut in interest rates, for the first time in 13 years. Traders have already taken this into account in the prices on the markets, so the main focus will be on the future prospects of ECB policy. In order to further weaken the euro, the regulator must provide clear soft signals about future actions. By now, the euro has already lost 2.4% of its value in October. At the same time, the markets expect a greater number of rate cuts in Europe next year compared to the United States, despite the fact that interest rates in America exceed 4.75%, and in Europe they are 3.5%. A report by Taiwanese chip manufacturer TSMC may also be a key event. The company's profit is projected to increase by 42% in the third quarter, reaching $9.3 billion, due to high demand for artificial intelligence solutions. The company will also present a revenue forecast for the fourth quarter. Earlier this week, weak forecasts from ASML, a supplier of chip equipment, led to a sharp drop in semiconductor stocks, so the TSMC data could be an important signal for investors. In addition, on Thursday, additional data on the state of retail sales in the United States and Netflix reporting will be important indicators of consumer sentiment, which may have an impact on global markets. Also, data on the labor market will be published in the United States. Traders and investors are closely monitoring the data published in the United States in connection with the upcoming Federal Reserve meeting in November and monetary policy decisions. In the foreign exchange markets, the dollar continued to rise, helped by improved forecasts for Republican Donald Trump in the upcoming U.S. presidential election. Trump's policy on tariffs, taxes and immigration is perceived as a factor contributing to higher inflation, which negatively affects bonds, but supports the dollar. The euro fell to $1.0850, being near the lowest values since the beginning of August, and the yen was trading at 149.40 per dollar. In addition, the victory of Trump and the Republicans may ease the regulation of cryptocurrencies. Against this background, Bitcoin has grown by 15% over the past week. That's all I have. Follow the news carefully and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.